Rosemary leaves for hair. Rosemary originates from the Mediterranean region, and in the Middle Ages, it was used in wedding ceremonies. Ancient Greek students used to hang rosemary on their doors, to let its scent come into the room, and clear the mind. According to the recent studies, rosemary has been shown to have hair growth properties, and can help with thinning hair, receding edges, and bald spots. Benefits of rosemary leaves for hair. It stimulates hair follicles. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation in the follicles, which brings them more nutrients, thus enabling them to produce healthy and strong hair strands. As a powerful antioxidant, rosemary protects hair from free radicals that cause premature hair graying. Antimicrobial properties of rosemary allow it to combat scalp irritation, dandruff, and infected hair follicles. Antifungal properties of this herb can help in treating scalp fungal infections that can cause hair loss and bald spots. It can also act as a natural hair conditioner, giving you tangle-free tresses that are soft and silky. How to use rosemary leaves for hair. 1. Hair strengthening rinse. Take 2 fresh sprigs of rosemary leaves and steep them overnight in 2 cups of boiling water. In the morning, use this rinse in the shower, right after rinsing out the shampoo. Your tresses will look shiny and smell fresh after that. 2. Hair growth tonic. This restorative hair tonic can help reduce hair loss and regrow bald patches. Take 2 medium-sized sprigs of rosemary and chop them up into a mason jar. Then add there 1 teaspoon of raw apple cider vinegar and 2 cups of boiling water. Shake the jar well to combine the ingredients, and keep it in a cool and dry place for a days or overnight. Add in it 3 drops of peppermint essential oil next morning, and stir well. Take a little amount of the tonic, and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 7 minutes, then rinse off. 3. Nourishing hair oil infusion. Take completely dry rosemary leaves, and pack them tightly in a mason jar. Now, pour extra virgin olive oil over the leaves, to submerge them completely. Leave the jar in a sunny window, so that the leaves can release their goodness into the oil, under the sunlight. To use, apply a little amount all over your scalp, and an even tinier amount on your hair strands. After 15 minutes, wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo and tepid water. You can use this hair oil infusion as leave-in hair conditioner, or overnight treatment, or as a hair serum. You can use fresh rosemary leaves for hair, or you can also take dried rosemary leaves. Just take a smaller amount,